Hey everybody, we're back with another video, and today we're going to be doing some work on the Kiisu. This one, not this one. And we're going to be fixing the RFID. We're going to be adding one of these ferrite capacitors. So we're going to be doing some soldering, and hopefully it all works when it's all done. So let's get into it. And this video is sponsored by Mike Roberts, the locksmith over at Tri-County Lock and Alarm, and Beth Vassar over at EnlightenedIrisArt.com, because they're the ones that sent us the ferrite capacitors that we're going to be using to fix the Kiisu, and Midwest Gadgets because he's the ones that sent us the 3x3 field detector that we're going to be using to test the Kiisu once we're finished doing the soldering. Now, if you want to watch a more relaxed version of this video, I recommend going over to Midwest Gadgets channel and check out the video that he did, because he has all the testing equipment needed to show you that he tuned everything right for this process. And he's the one that showed me how to do it. So, yeah, I recommend it. Now, we're going to start by going over here to NFC, and then we're going to read, and we're going to pick up our field detector. And see, we're getting that little blinking light. I'm not sure if the camera's picking that up. There it is. So now we're going to take our ferrite capacitor and we're going to solder it right there to these two little copper plates. Okay, so first thing you're going to want to do is remove your SD card and your battery so you don't short anything out. Now, once you get your soldering iron heated up, we're going to go over here and heat up the plate. That is that one right there. And we're gonna get a little bit of solder on the tip right there, and then just drop a drop. Oh, that was a big drop. That was kind of a big drop. Okay, so I had put a little too much solder, so I had to go back and remove a little bit. But now we got our capacitor. We're gonna go back and heat up that spot and push that little guy right in there. Trying to screw them over. Alright, so it looks like we got something right there. Now, sorry for the shaky camera, guys. It's a weak desk. Then we're gonna drop another drop right there. Alright, so hopefully that did it. Get that little slag off. Alright, so that may not be the best. Matter of fact, I don't think it's going all the way. So we gotta go back and fix it again. So, alright, so yeah, we gotta make sure that this little guy is on there all the way. And make sure we don't have any connections where they shouldn't be. So we might need a tiny bit more solder. There we go. Alright, so let's see if we can clear off that plate a little bit. Alright, so now that we got that on, let's slide back in our SD card as soon as we can pick it up. And there we go. And slide back in our battery. Alright, at least it's booting up. Alright, now this is the moment of truth, guys. There we go. Alright guys, so we fixed the NFC on the Kiisu, and like I said, I want to send a huge shout out over to Mike and Beth for sending us the capacitors, and I want to send another shout out over to Ham Spice over at Midwest Gadgets, because without him we wouldn't have had this field detector. So make sure you head on over to his website and check it out at midwestgadgets.org and use code CyberChuck in all caps to get 20% off your first order. And then also head on over to Tron Cases, because he's coming out with a whole lot of new inventory. They just partnered with Rabbit Labs, so look out for that stuff. Alright, so thanks for stopping by, guys, and remember, privacy is currency.